Welcome back. Today is a special Cocoa Daisy unboxing video. This is not one of their monthly subscription boxes. This was actually a pre-order in the month of June for October, and it is their Halloween kit. So the good thing about Cocoa Daisy, in my opinion, is that even in holiday months, their main kits that you subscribe to are not heavily influenced by any of the holidays. That way that subscription box works for anyone, even if they don't celebrate those particular holidays. So they usually offer a bonus kit for those main holidays, usually Valentine's Day, Halloween, and Christmas are the three that I can think of. So look for those pre-orders coming up, usually about 3 months in advance of the actual holiday. So let's jump in and take a look at this year's Halloween bonus kit. As always, it comes packaged securely and beautifully. So you have this nice tissue paper, and if you order anything outside of their normal subscription kits, you usually get this card, which I absolutely love, and I actually stick them in my planner just because they are so pretty. And then it is secured in one of their plastic pouches, which I also appreciate, to kind of protect it from the weather and the elements outside on its way to you. Okay, first up are these bats. It is a glitter sticker, and they come in strips here. And I'm imagining myself using these for like the edge of a page decoration. I think that would be really cute. You also get a package of die cuts. I don't have to open them for you because they have all of the die cuts in this package printed on the back, which is also really handy, so you can just quickly look and see which die cut you want to use and then find it in the pack. We also have a Halloween themed stamp set, and of course I am so excited we have 2 Simon stamps, so that is perfect. I personally am a huge Simon fan, and if you're not familiar with Cocoa Daisy, he is a rabbit and he is kind of Cocoa Daisy's mascot. Glitter dots, which I also love. I use these all the time, so those will come in handy. They're an enamel and they're adhesive, so you can decorate your pages with those. And then we have 3 ribbon paper clips, which I also really like. Those will definitely be going in my setup. A set of puffy Halloween stickers. A set of chipboard stickers, and I had someone tell me if you don't like the chipboard because they are, thick and add a little bit of bulk to your planner, you can actually use an X-Acto knife, and the top adhesive comes right off of those, and you can use them as regular stickers. And then we have these swirls. They're also the same glitter material as these bats that I showed first. This says Boo and Eek and Halloween. So those are nice. Okay, had to take the rest out of the packaging because I hate the crinkle sound on the camera. So we have 4 of these small 4x6 cards, and they are double-sided. I think all of them are. Oops. And then we have a sheet of these Halloween colored alpha stickers. I think these are 4x6 cards. I said these were, but they're not. I think they're 3x2. 3.5, I don't remember the exact size. These are 4x6 cards. These are the bigger ones, like a photo size. And then you do get some exclusive Halloween papers. So they are double-sided, and I will flip through those for you. This one's really cool. I like that one. And this one. I am a big Halloween person. Like if I was gonna pre-order any of the kits for the special holidays, it would be this one. My husband and I are big into Halloween. Pumpkins, and then it looks like these must repeat. They do. So you get a couple sheets of beach print, which is nice. And then I will save my last 3 favorite items for right now at the end. This is what got me. Nice thick vellum, spider webs with spiders. How awesome is that? So I'm gonna have to think of something special to use this for, because this is what sucked me in. I had to have that. And then, I mean, if you like Halloween, you have to have a good spider web washi. So I am excited about this washi as well. And then the one everyone's been waiting for. Here he is. The Simon Frankenstein clip. All-time favorite. If I didn't have anything else, I would be happy with just my Simon clip. So I am excited to have him to add to my planner. So, like I said, this is the 2020 Halloween bonus kit. The pre-order was in June. It shipped in September, and it's here in plenty of time to use for October. And probably, I would say, I'm just guessing because I don't know for sure. This is just from past experience, I guess. The Christmas kit pre-order should be coming up soon. So if you are a Christmas person, be on the lookout for that pre-order kit as well. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know and I'd be happy to answer them. Happy crafting!